Hello, my name is Chandan Sahu. In this video, we are going to see the demo of my SQL Server maintenance planner into mobile-based application, that is through Chrome browser. So, if you haven't watched our desktop version demo, please watch that first and then come to this video and have a look at how it works on mobile based application. So you would have hosted our application in your IIS server where you would have some IP address defined to that. You need to find that IP address and followed by the SQL planner instance name. Once you type your uh, the application IP address followed by path, you would be able to see the login screen and log in with the credential. And in the first instance, it asks twice. Let us log in. You would see two screen mode to in your mobile version application. First is your by default mobile view, and currently we are still working on designing and look and feel side, but uh, I would recommend you to log into your mobile based application in a desktop mode view, which you can find that option at the most end of this page. So let us go to the end of this page, and there is an option here, switch to desktop option. Once you get that view, it looks pretty nice, and you need to adjust it in such a way that it fits into your mobile. So we can see all the dashboard report here, and we have several jobs defined in our SQL maintenance planner. If we want to execute any of these jobs, we can simply hit execute now button and it will execute the particular job that you have defined. The flow of this is same that we have in desktop version. That is, if you hit execute now button, it goes the request to the IIS server, and within that IIS server we have settings that will hit the command to the SQL server from IIS server, and it does the operation. For example, I have just clicked job information, and here it is saying the details about the job. So with this we can see the functionality of desktop, all the jobs information and execution things under this list. The alert servers, it says some of the server is down, some of the server is live, and heartbeat is detected at particular this time. So our two server is down, which we can see it in red mark. And if we would like to see any of these health reports of particular server, we need to choose the server name, and since last how many days you want to see, and we need to click on show report. So in this example, I have just selected last 4 days. I would like to see the health report. So it is still loading the reports, as we have 5-6 reports defined here, and we need to wait until it loads. We can see this specific particular day we have this CPU uses. I'm just adjusting it to the screen size, and we can see it's always the CPU users was found to be less than 30%, and this is based on hourly basis aggregated value. Similarly for RAM users, similarly for database sizes, and what is the disk size on each day, and how many disks we have, how the growth is happening. This is what we can see from this. And CPU uses, most expensive SQL, CPU users, IO users, etc. And we can see which query is uh, taking so long time. Now let us hit to the menu item over here, and if we would like to create any jobs, we can do it via our mobile based application also. Let's say I would go ahead and I would like to create any particular backup plan. I would specify all these settings, and we'll hit save button, and that's all. It will come to our main dashboard page over here in the grid, and I just have clicked the SQL maintenance planner to redirect to the main page. So once your job is saved, it will lift down here over here. That's it, and with this we have completed our demo on mobile view. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.